Hey, y'all, come look at this.
If you've come to perform today, can you put your hands up so we can see? Just so we can see. Everyone, if you come to perform, put your hands up just so that we can see. Just so... Ah! This side as well.
A few moments later.
Yo.
I'm come down.
May I represent for one Media Fox?
Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock? Media Fox, Media Fox. Trending, nah stop. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest report them?
One, you don't know Media Fox, you know? Yeah, man. Big up everybody, big up all my fans, you see it. But you know when we are reason with sense, you see it, yeah, man, and body in the comment can just, you know, give them opinion in the comment and thing, you see me? But people, I not lie, I see that video from Weddy and it's like, yo, the thing I say, yo, I forgot to review this Media Fox. Yeah, man, cause it don't look good. And you know that youth when name AJ Zine, and AJ, AG Zine is a brother. You know, it's like a DJ where him in a UK where him dip on a spot and who want DJ come and do it. But them man here, all Will Smith and some big artists come the right way, film spot and DJ and things. Them rate the thing and, you know. But people, the youth come to Jamaica a couple times, you know, because this is not the first time he come to Jamaica. I think him did come to Jamaica a few months ago. But it's like him just rate Jamaica vibes. You see it, because some of the people them with the overseas like Ragarugi and them thing there. You see me? But people, the Jamaican artists, them, especially the one them where just I do a thing and dip on a can. And I don't know, yo, I say I feel like, wait, yo, I tell the people, I say, John, I can't believe that the man them do this on the youth live. No and say, yo, I some big people are watching man thing, you know. I tell you, you know, some big people, you and him AJ him. And the youth, when we with the youth humble and thing, you know. Yeah, man, him humble, man, and him a do him thing and him look out for artists. Cause enough of them artists and now get them highlighters so people cause the world a watch the youth live and for see how them money react. But I'm gonna play the clip, people, and make gonna see what I go on. You see it?
Yeah, man.
Alright, people. Look on the youth them a back how the man them a going over a mic. The youth all feel, may I tell you say youth feel all uncomfortable, bro. Like, why we as Jamaican artists, especially people where we can't, when it comes to like opportunity or forget a little shine, you see it? Why we can't start out with things? I don't understand this. You see me? May I tell you say, yo, the man them a move awful. It's like, them nobody can't wait them turn. Like, yo, them a stress out AJ, you understand? Yeah, man, must stress out the youth, man. You see it? Yeah, man, must stress out AG because you don't look good at all. Like, man say 7,000 people are watching. It's like, the man them are going way over the mic. Like, I saw the man them going like, it's like the man I try help out the youths them, the young artists them and thing. But it's like the man them I try mash up the thing.
You got 7,000 people.
You see it?
I got some way in a long time with that. You know, the man was that piece like, hey.
Watch our brother there in a blue shirt. The man I shook the man. Like, yo, Jano. I saw Jamaicans, man, I know it's like when Jamaicans get intervened, it's like the man them just can't wall out the thing that even look good. Like, Jano.
Let me tell him, man.
Yo, you can see say AG kind of stress out, you know, because the man now want this, you know, brother. The man knows some big artists, some big people are watching thing, you know. And the man them a move away, brother. I tell you, the man them a move away. Look how the man them a go on, like some little pitney around a back of badness. And why we can't just wait to turn and come together and try to get the thing done? Everybody can hold the mic and do a thing, you know. But it's like the man them a rush and this man them maybe a come from yes, but it's like the man them a try to make the thing look away. I tell you people.
Know where you are come from, know where you are go. When you tell the mic and start to echo.
Here the man them a war over the mic. And this is what I don't like, you know, people. You see it? It's like, and this is why a lot of these artists can't even get for bus. Because them don't wait them turn. The man them always bring the violence in the thing. You understand? And it's so hard fit. That's why you see, sometimes in everything it's good and bad, and sometimes we have gatekeepers, it's good and bad too. We have to have rules because The way how them money move, and the man them a get a highlight, is like gatekeeper would say, yo, the way how them go on, would let them through, cause the man them can't move professionally. You understand? AG fought from UK and I show some talent on him panel and he's me on him live and thing. Yo, me I tell you people, the man make Will Smith and some top people forward on him sound and do them thing, you know, bro. Me I tell you, you know, thing look good. And the brother come to Jamaica and him have a little tour, like I think he made a Moby and Rona, Romish them and all of them look something there. You see it, boys, like the man there, I think a arcade the man there, you know, pan Canton Spring, you know. Right this time go beside the passport office. Boys like, yo, the man them a move away, dog. Me shocked when me see it. Come here say, bro, it's like you don't want to destroy the man live. Cause one time the man dead and it's like the man say, yo. Man say, yo, I saw Jamaica thing going and somebody say, yeah. I mean say, yo, dog, we need to do better than this, man. We need to do better than this. We can't make people forward and give opportunity and we are turning in a violence. Why we can't wait to turn? You understand? Especially Jamaica is like everywhere them go or do something, is like them have to make it look disgusting, man.
You a practice and the way you a preach. When you want your mouth and you make a speech, you have some of come up in your head, come back up, walk out. Put in the sheep clothing, you think, well up!
Watch, here man them a go on with him, man. Watch it. 100 man a go off of the mic. 100 man. AG feel, me I tell you people, AG feel disgusting. You understand? The man feel shame, cause the man not used to them thing. When the man there UK, one-on-one people come and hold a voice, like all when crowd there around him. And look how the one bag of man are going over the mic, brother. The man them going like so when them take the mic and say two things, them a go bust same way. Like them a go bust right away. Bro, we need to do better than this as Jamaicans, man. You know, look good, brother. That's why I have to really talk about it, people. Cause I say, yo, I watch the youth named AG and him a do him thing and the youth a get bigger cause all pan wireless him go and thing and him a do him thing and them give him the highlight. You see it? And if you see the youth there, UK and a father Jamaica, and can highlight the youth them, cause right now we don't really have nothing with highlight the youth them worldwide pan a base, like, you understand? So that youth can try, he might try help out the youth them. You see, cause anybody can see and say, yo, you know, say that you artists have potential and reach out to them and thing. But it's like, imagine the people them a watch this and I say, yo, I saw Jamaican people them go on, you know, look good. Watch it, the man them a try to take the mic out of the elder hand, like Jano, but boy, may I tell you, like, and this are the thing, you know, everybody a try to rush to the mic. You know, look good, brother. It's like the man them a war over the mic and it's like, bro, we need to do better, man. The youth are gonna highlight and not try, but yo, I'm glad say, in a day in some place or some garrison, you know. Cause I tell you, man, them what does take away mic and take away sound box and everything, you know, brother. I tell you, you know, where man them are going like, man them want to bad up your man thing, you know, dog. What AG have to go do right now? I get some security. The man have to go get some security right now. For they around him thing, 2 security or 3. So only one artist can pass the security them and DJ. Cause the one bag of man right here, so it's like some of them look like some even criminal or something, brother. Cause we man them a move, me I tell the people. That me I tell you, it nah make no sense. It nah make no sense. You see it? Nah make no sense. The man them need to do better, people. Me I tell you, need to be better. Me not rate them energy. You see it?
Back here if it's gonna be like this.
The whole of the man them a grab fee mic. One I say 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Brother, we don't need, yo, oh, this a go work out. That's why we can't have so much artists out there, you know. It's like the man them go out there in the world and man them just carry them environment vibes and the badness and the unruliness and everything, bro. And everyone will go with that, brother. You understand? I know everyone will go with that. You see it? That brother there in the art, I think me see him perform already in the full black, you know. And the man, I say 1 more. How much people like, yo, why we can't? I see him so, if I know KFC, bro, may I tell you the only way, me see Jamaicans, some of them people here. I know every Jamaican, you know. But some of them people, when them go embassy, me never see them a move to embassy. May I tell you, them follow every rules. But it's like, if I want a free KFC, or this, The man them, yo, the man them a move away, dog. I mean, I say, yo, me I watch youth in him AG thing. I mean, I say, yo, you know what? The youth I do a lot for the youths. I mean, I feel like, you know, don't know. Show the youth them talent and thing, bro. But it's like, I say, yo, the youth must feel away. John know if you know, say, yo, he might try help some of them young artists. But it's like, the man them want to tarnish the youth thing. Cause this not look good, brother. If man a forward at Jamaica all the time and I do them something here, bro, and try to gang the man thing, brother, it don't make no sense. You see it? It don't make no sense.
Guys, big up my TikTok crew. Hey, listen, it's become too unruly. When it gets unruly, it becomes...
Brother, me I tell you now, I wanna humblest brother AG me see in my business, bro. I mean I tell you, bro, when me see man have to come out of comfort zone and I do all them and I adjust the man them, bro, I say, yo, John, this even look good, brother. You see it? And it's like the man them can't wait them turn, dog. You see me? We don't need to do better than this, brother. We don't need to do better than this. And yo, we don't realize, say, yo, the industry not really highlight young talents like that, you know, bro. You understand? Them not highlight young talent, you know. So if somebody a forward in a Jamaica and a try highlight, you know, bro, and have to respect the thing and, you understand? Put rules in the thing and professionally, bro. Because if you know one boss as artist and go out there and fi show the culture, do it for the culture, bro, you cannot act them way, brother. You understand? You cannot move them way. We need to move different, move professionally. You see it? Because you cannot move, so, brother. I tell you no, the way you now move, and that's how the thing work, bro. Because now go around some people and people might pray, you know, my youth. You see it? And for the youth that do him thing, you know, and I gang the thing, brother. I say, yo, me not rate this, you see it?
I'm safe for people, and they can't be... this is not good for Jamaica. This don't look good, you know. This looks bad. You got 7,000 people watching. This is...
And this are the thing, you know. It look bad for real because, as me say, some big people are watching you thing. Yo, some people where me see forward that man thing for profound, brother. Yo, and a normal thing, bro. Some know the man thing. When me see Will Smith and some different type of people are pray, bro. Me I say, yo, it's like every time the man asks the next artist who you would want to see forward come DJ, boom. It no matter which artist them are forward, brother. You see it? Me know say some no maybe forward and thing, but brother, youth people are pull out for the youth thing and I watch 7,000 people, my youth, a good amount of people that I watch the thing, and this and a Jamaica alone, brother, worldwide thing. So the man them a go on, so bro, and the man a do him thing, and he's like, yo, the man no want them violence and them thing upon them thing. You understand? Him no want them thing upon him thing. You see it? Man want him thing look well organized and thing, but it's like them, man tell say, yo, them, some of them Jamaican, where they call it, upcoming artists, it's like the man them no want wait, brother. Man them no want wait at all.
Is this what Jamaica is? Yes. Just
yeah, somebody ball out, yes. Man I ask, is it Jamaica is yes. Yo, we I tell it to write it. Brother, that's why we can't go further, you know. We no follow rules, you understand? We don't make the thing professionally, bro. Like, man I ask if this a Jamaica and a man I say yes. Like, bro, sometimes people are watching them not even to want pre again, brother. I tell you no. If I saw now go on, bro, I know say my AG might be forward again and thing, but it's like the man have to think right now. To me, if him a forward right now, people, the man have to go get some security guard. I tell you, the man have to go get some either security guard or barriers, where barrier around at the back and thing. See, so who a perform them alone can come to and him have some. You must go pay some people, brother. In a Jamaica, if you don't have security, I tell you, dog, you suffer, bro. I tell you, you have to have security in a Jamaica. You see me? And you can't just do things so. Where you to do AG, a good thing. Bounty killer, do every artist when we know like veteran and so, we pass through and give the youth a strength. Cause what, it a highlight for them thing too. Yeah man, it a highlight for them thing too. But the man them a move away.
so I know. This is what Jamaica is. You can't all work together. You can't respect each other.
No, it's like, me don't know, Jamaicans all over the world, some of them, it's like them fight each other. You understand? Them worry, them no look out for each other. Same with out here, it's like we divide and we no unite, we no, you understand? We bad mind each other. All of them look at something there, for no reason. You see, the man them can't work together, bro, and that's our problem. That's why even the country Jamaica can't even better today, because we not unite to fight each other when we're supposed to come at one and think, and so things can get done. That's why even the, you understand, that's why even the government, them can't do anything because we not unite. Them take their side, but it's like everybody take them side for suit for themselves, but not suit the whole country and them and the generation forwarding up. You understand? Like this now, it show you the mentality, you know. Everybody a fight for get one mic. The whole of them can use the mic, you know. But look at now, them can't wait them turn. All them have to do, wait them turn. Everybody can sing, everybody can get one 10 minute. You see it? Yeah, everybody can get one 10 or one 5 minute, them sing one song or whatever. And then everybody get them chance. But it's like the man them a fight over the mic. It's like, as me say, you that thing say, yo, when the man them do this, as them sing on the live, somebody would have get boss, like with a boss right away. Yo, ready for bookings. No, brother. It's just a highlight, bro. And if you soon go on up on the youth thing, my youth. You know, long youth are forward at Jamaica and I do this. I highlight young talent and I go on so.
Raw, man. I can't come back here if it's going to be like this.
Let me tell you, AG. Because you just realize how Jamaican things stay, you know. See? Yeah, man. You just have to do raw and Jamaican things. So what you have to go do, bro? It's the same like when you're there UK and you bury half the thing when the crowd for that you have to go do, brother. May I tell you, and get your security. You have to go get security, AG. May I tell you, you have to go get security. Else them money are going to run in by your sound box and try to do your thing, bro. You understand? That's why certain things people afraid to come back to Jamaica based on to start a business or something. Because man, I just run in and just want to own up things and certain things as it. But I saw your thing said, AG, where you have to go secure your thing, brother. Because when you're preaching, you know, the brother there in the black with the ball head, you know. He might tell her, he might say, yo, him no want to hear nothing, you know. Because he might move, AG may be bridging and thing, but he might kind of move like a security. But the man need more, dog. I tell you need more, brother. You get some barrier and barrier off them. And have some more security. Because if you go forward there, so brother, them man are grimy, you know, and hungry, you know. Yeah, man, so you have to go sort out that. You see it.
I'm going to run it back because we can't end it like that. But yo, order, man. Come on, man. Yeah, order, just relax.
Yeah, the man, them a rush the man. The whole like, bro, the whole are not get fit for vice by one mic, brother. The man, them a move like, say, yo, are them live, like, if them don't get the mic, they might just drop down. You understand? You cannot move, so brother. It don't make no sense. Bro, we don't need fit. Bro, them thing I get highlight across the roll and I saw the thing going, brother. It don't make no sense, dog. We don't need to do better than this.
Relax, man. I can't come back if it's going to be like this.
Watch it, the man, people are saying for relax and all of them look or something. The man them just disgusting, dog. Like, I can't believe that the youth are highlight on the bro and now move, so dog. May I tell you, big woman level, dog. May I tell you, big woman level. The man them for do better than this. And that's why I know for no can't bust, dog. Cause we don't know if they did certain thing, dog. You understand? The youth are gonna highlight, no, bro. Nobody in a day in the industry business but you know. And if you see a man forward from England, a highlight nothing where a big platform birth the youth have and the youth humble. And if you soon go on, so they're gonna bomb rush the man thing. The man come here already and nothing never go on. But true, this is say yo, the youth and the look of fame and everything are go on. You realize that everybody want bombard the youth thing, cause the youth thing I get on a large magnitude, you know, on Instagram and you see big artists bounty them and them artists are forward, bro. And I move away like, bro, and everything on the go on, so brother. Deal with the thing professionally, my youth. You cannot move, so dog. Watch your man them at the back. I go on one bag of cussing and all of them like something the dog. I tell you, brother, when I see it, I say, yo, I can't believe on the dog. I can't believe I saw the man them a go on, dog. I tell you, I can't believe I saw the man them a go on, bro. And the man I tell him, say, bro, remember, 7,000 people I watch. And then the normal people them I watch, bro. And some people in some big industry I watch the man thing. They maybe all look for talent, bro. But the way how the man in my move is like, this would have turn off anybody, brother. May I tell you, would have turn off anybody. Yeah, man, would have turn off anybody, may I tell you people. Anybody would have turn off. Because you know I wait for your turn and it's like everybody a rush, bro. The violence, it show the mentality of the people within the music, bro. For soon now go on so over one mic, dog. Everybody could have get a chance to perform. But no, everybody I use them badness and whatever in a them society if we try push the thing and that's how the thing work, brother. Look how this not even look good, people. Zine, look how the man them go on. One bag of man, they behind the man. Like you that thing say man them come for gang up the man thing. Like this don't even look good, brother. This don't look good at all. You see it? And you can see the man feel disappointment, bro. Disappointing at our one, bro. Cause man I say, yo, look how me I look out for and I show talent. I want me rate with the man. I left somebody forward and can't sing the man. Still I give them the highlight. That me rate him not care oh. You see it? The man still I highlight them. And people are see what I go on and people are make money. You understand? But it's like, them money, brother, me I tell you, you know look good.
Okay. Guys, pick up my TikTok crew. Hey, listen.
Brother, me I tell you, Jamaican I think couldn't need to do better than this. Me I tell you, if a son go move, it not make no sense. You see it? It not make no sense at all. And people, me have to forward and talk about this, cause when I like, me rate the youth name AG, man do a good thing for the music, you understand? Me see my UK and him make, you know, everybody who have a little musical talent, you see it, them forward and do them thing and him highlight it. Remember, you know, in a Jamaica, you know, we don't have nothing where I highlight the youth them talent like that when it comes to music, you know, brother. We usually have Magnum, King and Queens and certain little thing, you see me, Rising Star. Rising Star I think is still there, but like for Dancehall, we have Magnum. I don't know, I think them say them are going to start it back, but otherwise, we don't really have nothing like that where we say, yo, show the talent and certain. We have some little corner thing, but this, what the youth do AG, yeah man, this is a wonderful thing what the youth do, because the youth thing worldwide, me I tell you. The youth thing worldwide, you see it. Me I tell you, say, some big people, already a burner boy go up on him thing, go perform on him thing, and yeah man, him dey on Instagram and thing, but if you see the youth come at Jamaica again, cause rate Jamaica, you know, make him forward back, you know, cause him the forward already, you know, bro. And the man forward at Jamaica, and cause man say, yo, enough talent there at Jamaica. Enough talent. So the man say, alright, me a forward and, you know, highlight some of them youth. But the man, them want gang the man thing. Look how the man, them a go on, the big man, them a move like some little pitney where a fight over sweetie. It don't look good. This don't look good. You see it, but I don't know, Jamaican, somehow have to just fix up on the thing, man. Like, when I go out there in the world and people are highlight, you know, when try to keep the thing good, man. Make shine a bright, good light on the thing, man. You see it? You understand? When you cannot make people look on where some, yo, Jano, but you have to big up AG still. You understand? The youth do a good job for the artists, them. You might highlight them talent and everything, cause him have the platform, you see it? I'm not talking about a local thing, big international thing. Yeah man, so people who don't know, you know, yeah man, you don't know the comment there for talk and thing and yeah. But you don't know the things that I want media facts, man. That is it.